I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 different transitions that you can use to improve your travel videos. So let's start. The first one is called the same object transition. In this first example, I will be using my shoes as the same common object in my video. In this second example, I will be using my shirt that I'm wearing right now to be the common object for my transition. In this transition, you end your first video clip walking towards the camera and you start your second clip by walking away from the camera. And the third transition would be called the around the world movement. In this around the world transition, when you record yourself in selfie mode in different places, remember to always turn or move yourself on the same direction by holding your camera on the same hand. So here are some of my examples. And the next transition is called the zoom in and zoom out. So on your first video, you zoom in on a specific part of the object, and on your second video, you zoom out from that similar object. The next transition is called the flip, and in this transition all you need is the selfie stick, and this is how you will do it. In doing this flip transition, you have to hold the camera stick this way, and when you turn you have to make sure that it won't hit anything. This transition needs a bit of practice, and this is how it looks like. So guys, those are some of my examples of doing video transitions, and if you're going to use or combine all these transition examples in one single presentation, then your video will be looking somewhat like this.
All around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite.
So guys, those are the different video transitions that you can apply to improve your travel videos. And if you like this presentation, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing by just following this very simple instruction down below. And don't forget to ring the bell to be notified on my upcoming uploads. That's it for now, and I'll see you on my next video.